So now we're going on a fun camp. So just remember that no coke, no chips, no deodorants, no toilet paper and no cell phones.
We have like 60 students from Sanskriti school and आइडिया ये है कि ये लोग यहाँ पे करीब 5 दिन हमारे साथ रहेंगे और गाँव में रह जाकर गाँव की जो लाइफ है, जो ज़िंदगी है, उसको जानेंगे और जिएंगे. एक बार जोर से कहाँ पे आए हैं?
The thing that I'm missing the most is pizza.
I had chana and roti lunch and it's quite bad.
तो पहली चीज तो हम लोग ने टॉयलेट ही देखी थी. ऐसे लग रहा था अगर 5 मिनट वहाँ रहेंगे तो बस खत्म काम.
I just don't want to take a crap in those loos. Have a lot of rice, gives you constipation.
When you're suffering together, it becomes fun. You know, so all the students are going through the same situation together. So cribbing about not having toilets and cribbing about things, I think, you know, that's where their own unity comes.
क्योंकि लोग सब पहली बार कैंप में आ रहे हैं और इस तरह की सिचुएशन में आ रहे हैं, तो दे माइट हैव मेनी क्वेश्चंस अबाउट द पीपल अराउंड, यहाँ का कल्चर, यहाँ की सोसाइटी, उन सारी चीज़ों को एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश होगी. एंड इस पूरी जर्नी में कहीं ना कहीं कोशिश ये भी है कि हाउ दे विल अंडरस्टैंड देमसेल्फ. लाइक
Our task is to go find 5 facts about this place.
वैसे खाना में क्या खाते हैं?
खाना क्या जी यहाँ पर, यहाँ पहाड़ी इलाका जी.
So it's like a first step from where they start asking questions to themselves and the society around and how their action impacts the society.
Good morning! Good morning!
Now when you used to say that, तुम लोग जब खेलना शुरू करोगे, जब सब कुछ शुरू हो गया एक्टिविटीज, तब तुम्हें धीरे धीरे you start enjoying. And I used to be like, I know that won't happen to me. It really won't affect me, but now I know I'm having fun. Take a deep breath in.
Even though we came from the same school and the same batch, it wasn't like we knew each other very well. So the Homai session actually helped us know each other much better and just say what we feel about anything and everything.
We came to know that everyone has equally big problems. It's not just me, and a lot of people also thought that their problems aren't that big as compared to the others, and they can learn how to be strong and how to work on them, and how we can also work on our problems.
And I think the most beautiful part about Fun Camp is not the facilitators, not the people, not the design, but just the process. Just because they're here, just because they're in a different setting, organically things just fall in place.
It's a pretty scenic place, it's very quiet, it's helped me reflect a lot on myself.
Such amazing banyan trees with all the roots hanging and stuff. So I mean, I had a lot of fun swinging through the roots. In Delhi, you don't get to see so many trees and you don't get to breathe in the fresh air.
एक स्किट प्रस्तुत करेंगे क्या दशा है औरतों की इस गांव में.
I love doing facilitation here on Fun Camp. By being here and doing this work with young people, I have the faith that somewhere there's going to be a ripple in terms of how they look at themselves and how they look at society.
I think Mali Bhaiya will dig the holes just for the planting. But the whole experience of digging it yourself makes that whole plant that we planted more special.
अरे मामी गीली के ऊपर है, चिल्लाई नहीं, पकड़ना तो पड़ेगा. हमने फिर कहा कि मैम आप पहले पकड़ो. 1 सेकंड भी नहीं लगा, घुसा के ऐसे निकाल दिया. चिल्लाई ये लो तुम्हारी गोबर. फिर हमारे हाथ में रखा गीला गीला, उसके अंदर सारा बैग में डाला, वो ले गए, उसे फिर हमने प्लांट किया.
Experience new places, experience new people, work with people they think they may perhaps not like, and through that being able to move themselves out into a zone and learn from that, which is not really easy, but which is an essential life skill for all of us.
घास भी कटना आंटी नाल, फिर लकड़ू भी लाने, फिर देखना बड़े च बेकिंग है क्या आंदा है क्या नहीं.
What we're trying to do is make sun-dried tomatoes for our pizza. The paneer is being made at this very moment. The milk has been taken from the cow and it's in the process of becoming paneer.
ट्राई कर लो. कुछ भी नहीं है. फ्लेवर ही नहीं है.
It's a bit better with the namak.
It is actually an icebreaker. The children come closer to us. On the trip, they opened up and not only shared, they came out of their shell. That has been the most memorable experience for me.
The first thing I learned is that I love and treasure my friends.
Learn to adapt to changes, like the toilet issue, the food, all of it.
And I learned to work in a team as well. Because doing those activities and stuff, it wasn't like something that you would do individually.
I should conserve the resources as they affect people in ways I don't know.
I consider myself to be very lucky, and I'm going to go back and thank my parents for that. I'm going to learn to be a better person, to understand better and to adjust better in better conditions and in places where I can't get a luxurious life.
अंत में मैं बस ये कहूँगा कि अलविदा कहना एक तरीके से अच्छा है, बड़ा अच्छा है, क्योंकि हम जितनी जल्दी अलविदा कहते हैं उतनी जल्दी फिर से मिलने का मौका मिलता है। तो धन्यवाद, आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।